Hi there, Astrid here. Another day, another beautiful weather in Florida. But today I wanted to talk about the importance of preparation for marketing and what kind of challenges that people usually have before starting their marketing journey. So what I usually like to do by solving uncertainties and setting expectations is discussing different assets that people are going to use in their branding, like images, videos, making sure that you already have your keyword research done. If not, then that's something that I usually help my clients with. Messaging preparation is another aspect because we want your brand to reach to your target audience. Website and funnel checkup, that's something that we check and make sure that you have all the steps, whether it's in Facebook, in LinkedIn, conversions on your website. We also like to have regular sync up calls in order to show you the performance of your marketing campaigns and to show you some reports. So that's it for today as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask me and I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you. Have a good day.